Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Project YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, I have explained you that we are going to use Google Map line chart for the analytical purpose. And here you can see we have the analytics available right now in the system. We need to create two groups of this information. The first group will represent the time and the second group will represent the views. So these are the four records available, and here is the time. The common thing in the time is that the date. The date is common. We need the date and we need the views. The query is complex. We need to understand the depth of the grouping. The group by clause is used to consolidate the information according to the specific parameter, and for that we need to create here a statement like that, I'm going to copy this. Okay, first I need to create a group of date, so I will cast the date. I will cast, it's mean converting time into a date, time as date. The time have containing the date and time, but I am converting it into the time. Here you can see what I will get. I will get only the date right now. Okay, here as a date. Oops, and here it is date, which I have right now. Now I will say that group by the exact date. Okay, I want the group of dates, so I will use group by this, and now execute, and here you will see it's consolidate all the dates and return me the unique one. Now I need how many views and records are available within this date. So I will use count rest of all is counted as views. Now execute and here you will see it's giving me on this date you have 4 views. Okay, except of the views on which article, it's giving me the generic information that total views on this date. So by this I can create a series which will be populated in the Google Maps and create a line chart, which we will see in the next videos. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.